Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on managing and clearing storage space on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. At the bottom of Device Options, select Advanced Options. Tap Storage Management from the bottom of the list. At the top here, you can see how much storage you have used and how much space is available. You can use the Quick Archive option to free up storage by removing items downloaded from the cloud that haven't been opened recently. You can choose to quick archive items that haven't been opened for 1 year or more, 6 months, 3 months, and 1 month. You can also manually remove items from your Kindle to free up space. To do this, go back to Storage Management and tap Manual Removal. Now choose a category that you would like to remove items from. Once in the category, select the item or items that you would like to remove and then tap Remove. That item will then be removed from your Kindle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.